Aishwarya Rai Bachchan has once again captured the world's attention, this time at Paris Fashion Week. Representing the brand she's endorsed for years, Aishwarya walked the ramp in a stunning custom-made Manish Malhotra sherwani, a look that has left the internet in awe. Her ensemble featured intricate work and 10-inch long diamond-studded cuffs that are truly the showstoppers of the outfit. Every step, every pose, Aishwarya exuded confidence, earning her massive praise from fans and fashion icons alike. Fashion influencer Diet Sabya couldn't help but praise Aishwarya's commanding presence. Sharing the video, he wrote, "The bend and snap, the namaste, the pose, the ati, the red lip, the sheer panache. This isn't a selfie star, this is a global phenomenon, babes. Every move is muscle memory, every glance a masterclass. Sorry to your fave, they simply don't have this in their DNA." The internet went wild with admiration. From Bhumi Padnekar calling her queen to fans praising her timeless beauty, Aishwarya is clearly in a league of her own. Manish Malhotra, the designer behind the stunning sherwani, shared the creative vision behind Aishwarya's look, describing it as, "This look reimagines the Indian sherwani, rooted in heritage menswear, through an androgynous couture lens where structure meets softness." The 10-inch diamond-embroidered cuffs transform the sleeve into a statement of modern regalia, part armor, part adornment. Aishwarya, accompanied by her daughter Aradhya, made sure to shine not only on the runway but in the city of lights, bringing grace, elegance, and strength together in one mesmerizing look. Aishwarya Rai Bachchan continues to redefine what it means to be a global icon. With every look, every step, she proves why she's the blueprint for elegance, power, and beauty. Deepika Padukone and Farah Khan, who have shared a close bond for years, are in the spotlight again due to their recent social media activity. The two have unfollowed each other on Instagram, sparking rumors and curiosity among fans about the state of their relationship. The duo has a long history together, with Farah launching Deepika in the 2007 hit Om Shanti Om. Over the years, their friendship has been celebrated in the media, but now, this sudden shift in their social media behavior has raised eyebrows. Fans are left wondering if there's trouble between the two or if it's just a misunderstanding. Although it's unclear when or why they unfollowed each other, the change has caught the public's attention. Adding fuel to the fire, Farah Khan recently made a few comments that seemed to take a dig at Deepika's alleged demand for an 8-hour workday. In one of her YouTube vlogs, Farah had a conversation with actress Radhika Madan about the intensity of the industry's work culture. Farah jokingly asked Radhika if she had an 8-hour shift, to which Radhika responded by describing grueling work hours of 56 hours non-stop or 48 hours non-stop. Farah then responded with a playful comment, "ऐसे टपके ही तो सोना बनता है. This is how gold is made." These remarks quickly became fodder for speculation, with many interpreting them as indirect references to Deepika's work ethic. However, Farah Khan has now spoken out to clarify the situation and address the growing rumors. In a recent interview, she dismissed the idea that the Instagram unfollowing was a big deal. According to Farah, the two had made a pact during the Happy New Year shoot to avoid communicating via Instagram. Instead, they agreed to reach out to each other through direct messages or phone calls. reasons. Farah explained. To begin with, we were not following each other earlier too. We had made a pact during Happy New Year shoot that we don't communicate on Instagram, instead direct message and call. Farah also clarified her earlier comment about the 8-hour workday, stating that it was not a personal dig at Deepika. She explained, "My 8-hour comment wasn't a dig, it was to make Dileep say that he will now also work 8 hours when he actually works just for 2 hours." Further addressing the situation, Farah reminded everyone that not everything is meant to be showcased on social media. She shared a personal anecdote, revealing that she was one of the first people to visit Deepika after the birth of her daughter, Dua. "No one even knows I was one of the first few people who went to see Deepika when Dua was born. Not everything is done for Instagram and Paps." Farah also expressed frustration with the growing trend of turning harmless comments or actions into controversies. She recalled a recent incident with Karan Johar and Ayush Sharma at an event, where the media falsely claimed they had ignored him. This new trend of making anything into a fake controversy has to stop. Last week it was that Karan and I ignored Ayush on the red carpet, when in reality we had just met him down before coming up. Finally, Farah emphasized how these rumors can harm relationships, but she is quick to clear things up when misunderstandings arise. "It can genuinely cause problems between people. Thankfully, I pick up the phone and call them before it gets worse. But people need to stop doing this." So, despite the social media buzz, Farah Khan and Deepika Padukone's friendship appears to be intact. The key takeaway: not everything on Instagram reflects the reality of relationships, and sometimes it's best to keep things offline. After months of speculation, Bollywood's favorite couple, Vicky Kaushal and Katrina Kaif, have finally shared the big news. Yes, the duo is expecting their first child, and their fans couldn't be happier for them. Vicky and Katrina, who tied the knot in 2021, have taken the next step in their journey together, and it looks like they're all set to embrace parenthood. The couple shared their pregnancy announcement with a heartwarming post, "On our way to start the best chapter of our lives with hearts full of joy and gratitude." The announcement has come after months of rumors swirling around their growing family. And just yesterday, fans got another glimpse of Katrina's pregnancy glow during a special occasion, Vicky's brother, Sunny Kaushal's birthday. Minnie Mathur, who attended the birthday bash, shared this candid photo on her Instagram. In the picture, Katrina is glowing in a red and white dress, looking radiant and happy. She was joined by Sunny, Minnie, and Katrina's sister, Isabel Kaif. Fans quickly reacted to the post, flooding social media with heart eye emojis, love reactions, and even some playful evil eye emojis. One fan even said, "That's the mama glow," while another commented, "She is gonna be the prettiest mom ever." The couple has been surrounded by love and well wishes ever since their announcement. And it's clear to see why. Katrina and Vicky are truly embarking on a beautiful new chapter in their lives, and their fans can't wait to see what's next. The couple is glowing with excitement, and we can't wait to see them as parents. Stay tuned for more updates on their journey. That's all for today's update on Vicky and Katrina. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more news on your favorite Bollywood stars. Govinda and Sunita Ahuja have recently found themselves in the spotlight, not for their professional lives, but due to swirling rumors of a divorce. Despite the gossip, the couple has been quick to address the claims, showing the world that their relationship is far from over. The rumors first gained traction when reports suggested that Sunita had filed for divorce due to allegations of Govinda's affair. However, the couple was recently spotted together celebrating Ganesh Chaturthi, putting to rest any doubts about their bond. Sunita openly dismissed the rumors, making it clear that they remain very much together. Adding to the divorce speculation, Sunita also opened up about the impact of the affair rumors. She revealed that the whispers of infidelity had deeply upset her, but she also pointed out the real reasons behind the negativity they face. Sunita Ahuja said, "The affair rumors did upset me. But the problem is, there are people in his family who don't want to see Govinda and me together. They wonder why our family is so happy, especially since their own wives and children have passed away. Govinda doesn't mix with good people. Like I always say, if you stay with bad people, you'll become like them." Sunita also revealed a surprising detail about their living situation. Despite living in separate homes for 15 years, Govinda and Sunita's relationship remains strong. Their homes are opposite each other, and they continue to maintain close ties. Sunita Ahuja added, "Govinda and I have been living in different homes for 15 years, but he keeps coming and going. The man who hurts a good woman will never be happy. He will always remain restless. I gave him my entire life from childhood, and even today, I love him so much. Yes, I'm 100% upset because I hear the rumors too. But I'm very strong because I have my children." Govinda and Sunita's love story dates back to their love marriage in 1987. Together, they have 2 children, Tina Ahuja and Yashwardhan, and Sunita remains unwaveringly strong, finding strength in her family. Despite the rumors, their bond has stood the test of time.
After nearly 2 decades of marriage, reports say that Nicole Kidman and Keith Urban have separated. The couple, who tied the knot in June 2006, share 2 daughters, Sunday Rose, 17, and Faith Margaret, 14. But according to sources, they've been living apart since the summer. Despite the separation, it's been reported that Nicole doesn't want this split. However, the reasons behind their decision to part ways haven't been revealed. Throughout their marriage, Kidman and Urban have gone through both highs and lows together. The couple became a strong public presence, often supporting each other at award shows and Hollywood premieres. Their relationship hasn't always been easy. Just months after their wedding, Keith Urban checked himself into rehab to battle addiction. In a heartfelt moment, Nicole and his friends staged an intervention, an act that Urban has said was life-changing. Keith has often spoken about the positive impact Nicole had on his life. He said, "I look back now and realize Nick has taught me so much and brought so much into my life and opened my eyes in so many ways," adding, "This is the best place I've ever been." As recently as June, the couple was spotted together, attending a FIFA match in Nashville, still showing that public connection. While the future remains uncertain, their journey together has been a remarkable one. Stay tuned for more updates as this story develops.